For the past 2 days, I have this sound going on in my computer, and I thought it was a fan problem. I unplugged the fan. Rather, the sound was coming from the battery area. I thought it was short circuit. You might be thinking I'm a fool for charging it right now, but after some research and from good help from Reddit, I found out that this was coming from the speaker. And it was because about few days ago I had clicked an option which said sound recording stereo and listen to this device. Where's that option? Let me uncheck that. Listen to this device. Yep, it's done. Thank you.